Review number 2 for Lasserna's geometry. This is for the Unit 3 test. I'm looking at number 15 in this video, which asks us to find the measure of the smallest angle. And we've got this triangle drawn. Remember, since it's not saying x, since it's saying smallest angle, that means eventually we're going to have to plug our answer for x back into this problem. So remember that the triangle sum theorem tells us that these three angles, since they're in the triangle, add up to 180 degrees. So you would start with one big long equation, 5x plus 9 from the first angle, plus 5x plus 13 plus 6x minus 2 equals 180. And then you'd have to combine your like terms. 5 plus 6 gives us 16x. 9 plus 13 is 22. Subtract 2 is 20, which equals 180. Subtract the 20, which means you'll get 160, which means x will equal 10. Now again, that's not our answer. That's not the measure of the smallest angle. So what we have to do is we have to plug this in to try to find that smallest one. Now chances are when you see the 6 and 2 5s, most likely it's going to be one of the 5s. But just to be safe, we're going to plug it in all three. So we take the 10, we plug it into this 5x plus 9. That becomes 5 times 10 plus 9, which is 50 plus 9, which is 59 degrees. So far we got a 59 degree angle. Then we go over here. 10 times 5 again, plus 13. Now notice the only thing different is the 9 and 13, so chances are this one's going to be smaller. 50 plus 13, which is 63 degrees. So I know, again, we're looking for the smallest angle. That's definitely not it, since that's already bigger than the 59. So then we go to this one. 6 times 10 minus 2. 6 times 10 is 60 minus 2, which is 58. And that, since it's less than the 59, is our smallest angle. Number 16 gives us this quadrilateral. It says, for the quadrilateral shown below, what is the value of j plus k? Notice it didn't say j by itself or k by itself. J plus k means the sum of these two angles. Now what we do know for the quadrilateral, remember that all four of these angles add up to 360. So I'm going to start with the 111 and the 53. I'm going to add those together. Now I'm going to get 164 degrees. Now that's just this pair. But remember, the question's asking for j plus k, so we want this pair instead. So what we have to do now is we have to take this 164 and subtract it from the total in the quadrilateral, which is 360. 10 minus 4 is 6, that's 2, 15 minus 9, and then 2 minus 1, 196, which means our answer for 16 is B.